This is a video showing how to export data from the SPARKlx or SPARKlxi to Google Drive. First, open up the SPARKlxi and choose SPARKvue. Once you're on SPARKvue, go ahead and generate your data by selecting a sensor and select a display. Once you've selected the display, collect some data. After you collect the data, then move your cursor over to the Share button on the upper right-hand side. Once you've done that, you're going to have the option to share your data down toward the bottom of the screen. Select that. And then you'll now have the option of Save to Drive if you have the Drive application available on the LXI. So go ahead and click on Save to Drive. It will then prompt you to log into your Google account, or will show you which Google account you're logged into. Change the name of the title of the file to what you wish, and then click on Save. Once you've done that, go back to the home screen of the LXI, and then go ahead and select the Drive application. If it's not yet available, you can select this from the available applications. Click on the Drive application on the home screen, if that's available. And once you've done that, you'll now see the file that you've saved previously. If you've previously installed Google Sheets on your computer, when you click on this file, it will open that file within Google Sheets.